Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to the channel if you're new. And welcome to this new video right here on WLFI or World Liberty Financial. We're going to do a full update. I did not do a full update, an update yesterday because yesterday in the morning, honestly, the price hadn't moved. All right, nothing significant happened. Thursday, we got a little bit of a spike down, but ultimately that was bought up relatively well, which, by the way, I mean, that was actually a positive sign, right? I mean, if you see price action like this, where you have a spike down, which is, not the end of the world, that happens. I think this was actually, no, I'm not sure what caused that spike, but there was something at least. I forgot what it was, but okay. But it got bought back instantly, and we reclaimed kind of the main support level that we had over the course of the past week. Which was this level right here between 20 and 19.5 cents. And we've been able to hold that. Now, one of the key reasons why I wanted to make a video this morning is that not only we've been able to hold that level, but no, we're actually seeing some early momentum again, right? And this reminds me, and I don't want to get you too hyped up, but this reminds me a little bit of the period of time, Saturday the 6th of September, which is last week. It feels much longer ago, but okay. And back then what we saw is that we consolidated a little bit and then new leverage, new momentum was coming into the price. And I told you, I think we can rally, which is what we did. Now, my price target was much too low. But again, what we're seeing is, first of all, some very constructive build up. All right, you can see we already had a move up yesterday afternoon and yesterday evening at the end of the US session, and that was market wide, right? I mean, Bitcoin rallied up here as well. Most coins rallied up during that, and some coins performed better than others. I would not personally say that World Liberty Financial is one of the strongest ones, but you can see we got to move into that level at 21 cents. Then we got a pullback into the 1 hour uptrend, or at least that would be the level where the trend would be if we were in an uptrend, and we found support there. So that's confirmation that some sort of a trend is getting into the price. That was also a reaction to the fair value gap, which we dropped down all the way to the bottom of that fair value gap, but we did find support there. And then from there, we have retested that level at 21 cents again. And what you can see again, and this is one of the things why this reminds me quite a bit of what we've seen the last time when World Liberty Financial rallied, is that there's new leverage coming into the price. And it's not a lot. I mean, you can see the leverage right now is actually lower than the leverage right here. So that's a bit of a bullish divergence, or at least in my book, that's a bullish divergence because the price rallied higher with less leverage. So in general, look, I think that there's a lot of euphoria in the market right now, and that is definitely something to be aware of and to be a little bit afraid of as well. Some healthy caution. But I have to say, I mean, if I would have to tell you what I think is most likely, I would say it's a strong resistance level right here at 21.2 cents. So 0.212. Maybe we'll find resistance there once more, but I do think we'll be able to break that short term today, tomorrow, and that we'll be able to rally up to that level around 22 cents again. And then from there, honestly, I'll be back with a new video tomorrow. We'll talk about that level. We'll talk about whether we can actually break out of that, yes or no. That depends a lot on how the US today, for example, reacts to the euphoria. Yesterday, it started with the United States being quite bullish. And at this point of time, that's being continued by the European session. If we again see a continuation during the US session, I think the next couple of days can be quite strong. And then WLFI can rally all the way up to 23 cents, for all I know, very easily. But for now, I think we're going to get a minor pullback here, but I do think we're going to break out. I think we're going to rally into that level around 22 cents. And from there, we'll see again. But I think if we can keep this momentum, I think we have a very good chance to break out of 22 cents as well. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.